Angela's energy, drive, unflappable spirit and previous experience pulls everyone together. She has also coordinated other choirs, musicians and young poets to come together to celebrate their communities while emerging from lockdown. This gave them the chance to get together and renew friendships which had lapsed during this period. Angela's nominator said, Angela went above and beyond to provide a vehicle for the community to come together and continues to promote an appreciation of the arts within Paris and the region. Getting involved as volunteers has been life-changing for several members of the group, as it has given them purpose in the community. The connections and friendships that have been built are incredibly powerful, as each individual brings their own story and experience to the Hive space. The nominator said they nominate this group because this group has taught us so much about the power of community and about how arts and culture can play a hugely important role in well-being and holding a space to talk and listen.
Val and Chris work tirelessly for their community theatre for hours on end. This community theatre has been a lifeblood for many of its members and of the local community, with the remarkable contribution of Val and Chris. Their nominator said, "I've nominated these two because they are just awesome."